If you work with tables in LibreOffice Writer, knowing how to add a formula inside a table can save you a lot of time. Instead of calculating totals manually, you can let Writer do the work for you by actually right inside the cell. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to insert a formula into a table, get the result to appear automatically, and make your document look much more professional. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you're starting from scratch, look on the left side under Create and click Write a Document. If you already have a document with a table in it, open that file instead. This works the same either way, as long as you have a table ready to use. Now, click inside the table cell where you want the formula result to appear. This is important because LibreOffice needs to know exactly where you want the answer placed. For example, if you have numbers in a column and you want the total at the bottom, click the bottom cell where you want the sum to show up. Once the cell is selected, press F4 on your keyboard. In many cases, this will bring up the formula bar at the top, or it may activate the formula input area for the table. If you see the formula bar appear, that means you're ready to type your formula. If it doesn't appear right away, click the formula bar if it is visible and make sure the cursor is active in the right cell. Now type your formula. A simple example is equals sign assume angle bracket A 1:A 3 angle bracket. That tells LibreOffice to add the values from cells A1 through A3. If you're working with a different part of the table, just adjust the cell range to match your data. You can use the same idea for other calculations too, depending on what you need in your table. After typing the formula, press Enter. LibreOffice Writer will calculate the value and place the result directly inside the table cell. That's the big advantage here. You don't need to leave the document or do the math manually. The result updates right in your table, which makes your document cleaner and easier to manage. If the formula doesn't show the way you expected, double check that you clicked the correct cell first and that the cell range in the formula is written correctly. A small typo in the range can cause the result to come out wrong or not display at all. Also, make sure the formula is entered in the formula bar rather than just typed as plain text in the cell. You can repeat this process in other table cells whenever you need totals, counts, or other calculated values. This is especially useful for invoices, reports, school documents, and any file that includes numbers in a table. Once you get used to it, adding formulas in LibreOffice Writer becomes very quick and easy. So to recap, open LibreOffice Writer, click inside the table cell, press F4 or use the formula bar, type your formula like sum for the desired range, and press Enter to display the result. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more LibreOffice tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.